I've spent the last couple of months repeating the same thing, that I don't believe in foldable products, that I consider them to be a solution in search of a problem, but that was until I actually had the chance to play with one. That happened to me yesterday. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and I spent some time with the Huawei Mate X. So fun fact, I was actually briefed, like most people, before the event. We were shown the product, and I prepared a video for it, but the reason I didn't push it live at the time is because we didn't have all the information. We didn't know how much the product was going to cost. So I was going to wait for the event to push the video live, and then we learned that it was going to cost 2,300 euros. I was like, no, I'm just not going to make the video. But yesterday I was given the opportunity to play with it for a little. I was given the opportunity to use it, and I'm not trying to justify the price in any way. This is going back to my thoughts originally of if these foldable products are a solution in search of a problem or not. My experience with the Mate X was awesome, but let's begin with a few basics. This device has a 6.6-inch screen on the side, a 6.38 screen on the other side, and it unfolds to an 8-inch display when open. They're calling this their Huawei Foldable Full View display, and full view in all views compared to the small screen and the notch screen on the Galaxy Fold. Unfolded, it's just 5.4 millimeters thin, thinner than the iPad Pro. And it's got this ergonomic curvature for a firm grip that reminds us of the Kindle Oasis. It actually helps you hold the product easily. Their breakthrough really is their Falconwing hinge design, which they claim is made of around 100 parts. It's an outside curvature, which means that you can actually truly fold the device. The problem when they fold through the inside is you can't fully do so, or it has certain limitations. And even when you fold it completely, the device is still just 11 millimeters thick, which is nothing. This is a 5G product. It brings the Balong 5000 5G chip plus the Kirin 980 with quad 5G antennas. It has 4.6 gigabits in download speeds, a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. It has a 55-watt Huawei supercharger included, meaning 30 minutes of charge will give you 85% battery. And sadly, these are all the specifications we know so far. The folded functionality actually allows for better selfies because if you think about it, there is no selfie camera. It actually uses the primary cameras, and it also has this neat trick where you can actually show a person the portrait photo you're taking of them if you fold the device. It's actually really genius. And then there's also a full cover case that covers the second screen. It gives you access to the 6.6-inch display during the process. So here's the thing, the reason why my mind has changed so dramatically about foldables is because this device feels like a smartphone. Once you fold it completely, it feels like Galaxy Note 9, which in my opinion is one of the best designs of last year. There's a button to unsnap it to allow it to open at the bottom, and it feels dramatically solid. The design in the back looks very elegant, and you only see color shifting when you're folding it, but it adapts afterwards. Best of all, I played with the software and it feels finished. There are no stutters, no issues. The product folded and adapted. It extended and adapted just fine, even if they were very clear that this was an unfinished product. Overall, I have to admit the Huawei Mate X is probably the coolest device that I saw at MWC 2019. Again, I'm not justifying the price tag, and I feel that companies really need to drop it. Truly, I get it. This is new technology. There are 100 parts in the hinge and everything, but the price tag is seriously not realistic, or probably I'm just not the demographic. Whatever the case may be, I do find it to be cool. If the product can feel like a phone when I fold it, and it can feel like a tablet when I don't, I feel that that is the most genius approach to a foldable, but that's just me. This is my opinion. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about the Huawei Mate X. And while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.